Mediterranean bathroom vanities have a distinctive, slightly exotic style that sets them apart from Northern European designs. Instead of delicate floral designs, Mediterranean bathroom vanities have big, bold, geometric woodwork with a simple, masculine appearance. Mediterranean bathrooms are known for their tile work, and the best bathroom vanities for this style will mirror its familiar starbust designs. Bathroom vanities with very fine, detailed carvings are reminiscent of the elaborately carved wood screens used in Moroccan design. Vanities with inlaid wood designs have a slightly more glamorous look, but echo the fine detail of Mediterranean mosaic tile. For an earthier Mediterranean bathroom that favors a more ancient style, look for bathroom vanities made of weathered wood with a distinctive grain. Rather than focusing on antique metal hardware, look for bathroom vanities with wood knobs and poles for a more rugged, rustic Mediterranean style. Presented by HomeThings.com. Subscribe for more design.